we get what we really wanted from S23 Ultra. But this time around, we get the closer look at the design of upcoming Galaxy device. Previously, it was unclear and most of the people claimed that S23 Ultra will look exactly the same as S22 Ultra. But it is not true, because Samsung is changing the design on S23 Ultra, and to my surprise, they are making the S23 Ultra a bit flatter than the S22 Ultra. Here's a cat image leaked on Weibo showing the side of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and with this, it is now confirmed it is going to come with a flatter display. Not only that, the corners are also squared off, coming from S22 to S23 Ultra. And while removing the curved edges, Galaxy S23 Ultra looks thicker than the S22 Ultra. A good news is, we might see a better cooling system with a thicker design and a new 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Let me know in the comments, did you guys like the design of S23 Ultra? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As we get the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra, but now a new screen protector of Galaxy S23 Ultra is showing something different. As iUniverse shared both S23 and S22 Ultra screen protector, showing we get the same size fingerprint area, which is certain we will get the same fingerprint scanner just with a better optimization. Although this protector looks more like the S22 Ultra one, so we cannot confirm if it's real or not. But what confirmed is the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the special edition Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, only for Samsung devices. You guys do have a question, what's special about the new processor? Well, the exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is only for S23 Ultra lineup will be overclocked. The normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be peaked at 3.19 GHz, and the special edition will be clocked at 3.36 GHz, a significant update over a normal one. If you're thinking about the camera and what comes new in it, then let me share some of the numbers you might want to see. First, the new 200MP camera will be capable of recording 8K video at 30fps and 4K video at 120fps, all thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But other cameras including ultra-wide and telephoto sensor will remain the same. The price is something we should be worried about, because as per rumors, we might see a price jump in Galaxy S23 lineup, at least $50 on each model of S23. But these prices are for the US market. The European markets will also see a small price jump somewhere around 50 euros. But the pre-order deals are amazing, so you guys should have an eye on the pre-orders of Galaxy S23. Samsung is on its way to launch S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and we might see phones in the market on 17th of Feb along with the Tab S9. If you want to see the real 200MP camera comparison of Galaxy S23 and Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time, till then, peace out.